Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining today. Today is just going to be a very quick flip through of this beautiful journal or ephemera storage, whatever you want to call it. This one, I think you would consider this one maybe a wedding journal. It did not start out to be a wedding journal, but that's kind of how it looks when I ended up with it. So let's just jump right into it. The listing for this, or the link to this listing, will be listed down below. So make sure that you go and check it out on my Etsy store. So you will notice it's got this beautiful pale colors. It's like a ivory, off-white, maybe a little hint of a yellow, gold. It's just gorgeous. It is 4.5 inches wide and it is 7 inches tall. All four corners have got these corner protectors on it because that's where my books first start to wear. You will notice it has a 1.5 inch spine. I do have the spine covered with this beautiful crinkle paper. And then where the crinkle paper and the other paper meet, I do have a beautiful gold-edged lace there. I do have a little snippet or cluster on the front here. It's just got some of the laces on it and a beautiful gold embossed rose. So and let me show you this. It will stand up on its own. So looking down at it, you can see the beautiful signatures in there. So when you open it, you will notice, like with most of my journals, they are not the typical journal. These are made with envelopes. And this is a great present, wedding shower gift, baby shower gift. I do make them for baby showers and that kind of stuff. But you can store all of your ephemera in these pockets until you're able to put them into a different journal. Or you may just want to keep them in this. So let's go ahead and get started right away because there's a lot to look at. And you'll see I've used the same colors all throughout the book. Now right here on this front, the inside front of the book, there is a pocket or a tuck back there. I do have like a little journal card. I did put some lace on it. I didn't do anything on the inside. That's something for you to be able to do. Then right here, I do have some beautiful lace on the front. I did not put any kind of pockets or anything on it. I could have, but I resisted. These little flowers right here, they are like a little clasp that hold this down. When you open up this the front flap up here, you'll see that there is a belly band. It does have some pearl accents on the belly band. Let me see if I can get it where you can see them. When you open it, you have some journal area there, and then I just stuck a little journal card in there. Opening this up, you will see it's that same beautiful little lace that I used on the front and back cover. I made it into a belly band, and I just put some paper in there for a journal spot. On this little area here, I love this lace. This is some of my favorite lace, that little flower lace. And the colors just blended perfectly with this. And this, it says, "You are my one and only. I do. I love you. Husband and wife, just married." Then when you open it up, we have more lace. So I used, this is kind of like an elastic type lace. It has a little bit of a give to it. So I made that into a belly band, and I just stuck a little card back behind that. Over here, this lace is not elastic, but this is just some beautiful lace, and I made a pocket out of that, and then I just stuck a little journal card in there. And then we just close everything back up, and then that will just tuck down in there. And I'll do that in a little bit so that I'm not fooling with all of that and taking up that much time. So here is the first envelope, and on each envelope there is this little tuck. I don't know if you can see it very well on that one, but there is a tuck on each envelope, and that's so that you can Lord help me, can't even talk. So you can stick the envelope flap down in it, and it prevents the envelope flap from curling. So in this front little envelope here, I just have a journal card stuck in there. There may be more stuff in that when you get it. I'm not going to say yay or nay, but there may be. On the back of that envelope, you will see we have a little corner pocket or corner tuck, and I have stuck another little journal card down in it. We have this envelope here. I apologize for my dogs. And again, just a little journal card in it. On this, the back of this envelope, we have a two-tiered pocket. So we have a pocket back here, and I've just stuck a little journal card down in there. So we have that pocket there. Then we have this little envelope here, and I stuck a little tag down in that. Then in this envelope, we have another little journal card. Moving on to the back of that envelope, we have another belly band. That belly band opens, and then tucked behind that belly band is a little journal card. I'm trying to get it where you can see. It has the gold accents on it, and it says, "I love you, husband and wife, true love." And that just goes back there. Then in this one here, we have another little journal card, and this one also has the gold accents. On the back of that envelope, this is a belly band, but it is in a matchbox style. So I wanted to put something on it, but I was afraid that I was already bulking it up so much. But this just tucks down in here, so it keeps it closed. I do have a little journal card type thing stuck down in the belly band. All right. In this last envelope, again, we just have some journal card there. And then on the back of that one, we have a top tuck. And you can see it has another one of the pieces of the gold foil accents. And then in the back, I didn't do much to the back. I just made this to where you have a little spot to put your cards and stuff in. You know, whatever ephemera you may have that you don't, you know, you're just kind of running around real quick and needing to get it stuck somewhere. So there is that, and there will be some little cards and journal cards and stuff like that stuck down in here. But yeah, that's the journal. And I will put this back in just a moment. But that's it, guys. So make sure you go over to my Etsy shop. Check out this beautiful journal. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.